Hello everyone, it's Katrine. So let's upload some files into our personal AI assistant. And the way you want to go about is you see here's the chatbot button, the files, business community and resources, and art style prompts. So let's head over to the files. And all you need to do is come over to upload files. Currently, you see what you have in here. Like I have 123 files, it looks like in here currently, and remaining space is 950 megabyte. And you know that you have 1 gigabyte, but that's approximately, well, around 20,000 of documents you can upload. So let's do the upload files. And I just downloaded all my GCMS reports, and I basically want to upload 123 files right now. And I want to get them all into this beautiful assistant. So what I'm going to do is highlight everything, click open, and the assistant will start uploading the files for us. So what's happening right now in the back end is that you're basically going to see these file uploads and you can just ignore them. Seth is still going to change it to just one message, but that's what it is right now. And every time you click refresh, you will see that the number, once it's processed, the number basically will go up here and will add more files to your list. Now it's 125. There are 2 incomplete, and you will also get a message which ones have been incomplete because they are not all working, maybe due to file error messages or something else. And in this case, they have. So we want to give it now a moment and actually come back when everything has been uploaded. So I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back in a second.